Unpacking, can we box this up? A deep dive. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound simple at first but is packed with practical use. Can we box this up? Whether you're at a restaurant or tidying up at home, understanding and using this phrase can make your English communication smoother and more natural. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and context together. Can we box this up? At its core, requests to put something into a box. The word box is used both as a noun and a verb here, indicating the action of packing items into a container. This phrase is commonly used in situations where physical items need to be organized, stored, or transported. Interestingly, can we box this up? Can also take on a more figurative meaning. In a broader context, it might be used to suggest concluding a discussion, summarizing ideas, or finalizing decisions. It's a versatile phrase that encapsulates the act of bringing things together in a neat, organized manner, whether those things are physical objects or abstract ideas. 1. At a restaurant. When you're finished eating and you want to take leftovers home, asking the waiter, "Can we box this up?" is a polite and clear way to make your request. 2. During a meeting, after a long discussion, a team leader might say, "Can we box this up?" to indicate it's time to summarize the meeting's key points and decide on the next steps. 3. While moving. If you're helping a friend move to a new house, you might use the phrase to suggest packing items into boxes, making it easier to transport them. Understanding the phrase, "Can we box this up?" also involves grasping the cultural nuances of its use. In some cultures, directly asking to take leftovers home from a restaurant might be seen as unusual, whereas in many English-speaking countries, it's a common and acceptable request. Similarly, using the phrase in a meeting shows an initiative to organize and conclude discussions efficiently, reflecting a value placed on time and clarity in communication. We've unpacked the phrase, "Can we box this up?" from its literal to its more abstract uses. Whether you're asking to pack food, trying to wrap up a discussion, or signaling the end of an activity, this phrase is a handy tool in your English language toolkit. Remember, language is not just about words but also about understanding the context and culture in which it's used. Happy learning, and we hope this video helps you box up your English language doubts and enhances your communication skills.